Hello, welcome to my first ever video. Welcome to the channel. Basically, I suddenly have this idea of making. Oh, I've always wanted to do this. Anything to do with Discord on PCs or YouTube or anything on a PC. I know quite a lot about PCs and what stuff you'll need, and yeah, I'm good at that sort of thing. So I figured, why not make a YouTube channel to do like tutorials of how to do stuff to help out other people. Yeah, so I thought it would be a good idea, so yeah, let's crack on. So like I just said, I'll be doing all sorts of stuff like YouTube, Discord, mainly Discord, we'll be focusing on, because I'm really good at Discord mainly because I've made so many servers. Just ignore these servers I'm in, but most of these servers, quite a lot of them, I made quite a few. Which ones have I made? I've made this one here, South London roleplay, stuff like this. Loads of different servers, so certain people can see certain channels and stuff. So yeah, let's crack on. So first of all, what I'm going to do is, in order to create a server, you see this button here that says add server, add a server. You press that button there, and then a couple options will show up. There'll be create my own, gaming, school club, or study group. So they're templates there. So they'll have certain stuff, like for study groups they'll have like lounge 1 and stuff like that, and study group 1. It's like different channels. School club will have different channels, and gaming will have different channels, like I don't know, gaming, PC and stuff. But what you want to do, you can use a template, but I prefer to create my own. Normally we're going to be doing that today. So you want to click on whatever you want to do, and it will say for a club or community, or for me and my friends. So the difference between club and community. So if you want to have a club and community, basically anyone can just join it. It's basically for like, it's basically if you want to have a massive Discord server with loads of people in, and like you don't actually know the people. Or for me and my friends is for instance, you just wanted a group for you and your mates to go in and stuff like that. Or for like people you've met on Discord and stuff. So I'm making mine for a club or community. And then the club and community also, if you click on it, it enables you to advertise yourself if you get to sign up members, and when people join you can display rules and everything. It's much better. So you can name whatever your server you want if you want to have a certain picture, which is better if you do because it looks better on the Discord. Like for instance, quite a lot of my servers I'm in, or most of them, all have pictures which are better, because then you can actually identify which ones are good and which ones are bad. So yeah, create my own club and community. So I'm just going to leave that for the minute, and basically you want to name it whatever you want. I'm just going to do YouTube Discord tutorial. I'm terrible at spelling, by the way, guys, so if you do see anything of bad spelling, then just let me know, alright? Just ignore it, alright? So, server name is, Discord tutorial. Alright, so create. So, most of them will look like this when you first get them. So as all of these, welcome to the Discord tutorial, which will, or whatever you set the name will be, it'll be like that. This is your brand new shiny server. Here are some steps to help you get started. For more, check out our getting started guide. If you wanted to have more information about how to do this, you can either look more into my channel once I post some more videos, or you can press getting started guide and Discord. If you click on it, it will pop out. Let me get it off my other monitor. It will pop up here, look. And it'll have all the steps of how to do it. What does this article cover? How to listen to music and everything on here. It pretty much goes over everything in Discord, like VCs and how to edit them. So it's very helpful. This is I didn't personally learn how to do it like that. I just learned it myself, and my friends have helped me a little bit. So if you look in any other server, this is the first thing you'd recognise. Like there's nothing here. This is where all the channels would be. So you would type in these ones here for typing. So if I want to send that, I'll send that. And then general, if I join it now, it's basically a voice chat. so yeah, people can hear me and stuff. So you can you can just talk to people in it. It's basically like a call button here. So to leave that, you do that. Alright, so all you want to do is, what I normally do is I just delete these channels because they'd have certain permissions and stuff. So what you're going to do to delete them, you right click on one, and then you press delete channel, and then delete channel. Let's do that again. Right click, delete category, delete category. Alright, so what you want to do first of all is you want to press create category. So a category basically, well, I'll explain it in a second. So you want to click up there, create category, and then the category you want to name it whatever you want. For instance, in the middle of a server you'd want rules and stuff, so I'm going to name it some rules. So you want that, and maybe if you want a little emoji, if you want some I don't know, a scroll for the rules. Enter. Okay. Create category. So it has a category there, and then within the categories you'd have channels. So you'd put this one Discord rules. And then you'd put, but you have to have a dash in between them. And then you'd put an emoji if you want an emoji. I'm going to do an emoji. And yeah, create channel. And then look, that's the thing. So it's basically just to separate them out. The what are they called? The categories out. They just separate them. So yeah, so that's how you create a channel, and I can type here. And we're gonna go into more depth in this in another video of if you didn't want people to be able to type in these channels, but you need to add roles and everything. So today we're just gonna be going over how to do stuff in make channels and stuff. So since I made that, but you probably saw as well, in order for me to when I created in order for me to do a voice chat, you probably saw when I added it, it said here, look, create channel. You can press create channel, or if you already have a category, you can press the create channel button, and here, look, you have two options. You might have more options if you enable it to be community. So if you want a voice chat, I would call it Lounge 1. Wait. There. I need to work on my spelling. And then you put an emoji if you want to. If you want to put an emoji, by the way, the tactic I use is Windows and then the dot button, and it gives you emojis. Or if you're on phone, it automatically works. So if you want to get a I don't know, the SETI or something. So if I type in, they call it a couch, don't they, in America? A couch. I know that looks more like a bath in here because some emojis Discord make it like that for some reason, but it's weird. So Lounge 1, I accidentally made two of them because I clicked the button twice, so just be careful. So ideally you want a couple VCs, so if there's quite a lot of people in the server, you could have some people doing one conversation in there, so you just join it, click on it like I said earlier, and yeah, it's very simple. So you just add loads of different things. So you wouldn't obviously have Lounge 1 in the rules section, but it's just for a demonstration. And if you would like to have an announcements channel, so when you make announcements, you have to go to Discord. This is the one time you have to do this, by the way. You go to Discord, the name of your server, that arrow there, you click on it, and then you want to go to server settings, click on it, and then you want to press enable community. This only works, please note, this only works if you set it to community. It doesn't work if it's for friends and that. So, just ignore that. So you want to press get started. Yeah. So you want to press verified email address if you want it. You have to have, well, you don't have to have it. That just makes sure people are verified in order to come in. You press that, create one for me. So it's the basics like Discord rules. So you'd put the rules channel that you want the rules to be. You can either put create one for me or Discord rules, and then you'd put the community updates. So when people, for instance, Discord, if there's another update on Discord, it'll pop up there. So I want to put them both in Discord rules. Not that that would be very good if you put them in there, but oh well. Default notifications, mentions only. You can take it, it's up to you. Remove moderation permissions from @everyone. So when they join, it will take all their moderation. It's just more safer if you do that. I agree and understand, and you press finish setup. And then you've done that, so you want to press back. And then what you should be able to do is if I do that, and then I press create channel, it'll have more. It'll have a stage channel, I'll have an announcements channel, and I'll have the other two. So I want to make an announcements channel. Just write and yeah, that's how you do it. And then this will basically, if I put hello, it will share it for other people, so people can follow your announcements. So for instance, if I go into this server, let me get it, this server here, PRC, and then if I go to their announcements channel, hopefully it will load soon, I can press here, follow, and then you can add it to a server. So if I want it to be in my server that I just made, you can put it on a random sort of testing server, then you put it in the channel you want, and you press follow. And then, whenever they post announcements, it will put it in your channel, in your server, which I think is a very cool feature. Anyway, this is going to be the end of this video today. I really hope this helped. Please do consider subscribing if this will help, if this helped you. And yeah, if you have any things that you want to know of how to do stuff on Discord or anything on PCs in general, put it in the comments, and yeah, I'll read them. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in a bit. Bye.